Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in chapter 1 of this little book about how to write a college level essay, 50 points, 250 to 500 words, which is 1 or 2 pages. All right, let's survey this assignment together. We have a link here, important information about a research paper. Please click on it and read it. We also have directions numbered 1, 2, and 3. Let's read them together. Click on this link, which will show you the preface and chapter 1 to a textbook I wrote titled This Little Book About How to Write a College Level Essay. Scroll past the preface to chapter 1 and complete exercise 1 according to directions. You do not need to submit exercise 1 to me. Okay, so let's click on this link together, and it will take me right away into the preface of the textbook, This Little Book. These are the initials about how to write a college level essay. So what we need to do is scroll past the preface and go to chapter 1, learning what an essay is, and you will complete exercise 1, what is a college level essay. So please read this assignment, the directions, super carefully, and read the essay very carefully too, and the column here which explains the function of each paragraph. Okay, I'm going to go back into our assignment, and I'm going to read the direction for number 2 in 250 to 500 words, which is of course 1 to 2 pages. Write an essay in which you share your thoughts about the information I shared with you in the exercise 1 essay. In your writing, make sure you include a map to your essay and a 1-sentence transitional paragraph. You will learn how to create a map and a 1-sentence transitional paragraph by completing exercise 1. So you do need to go into this link, into exercise 1, and complete the exercise in order to be able to write this essay. And a third direction, remember to proofread and run a spell grammar check. Easily avoidable errors will lower your grade. Okay, so please proofread. All right, if you have any questions or concerns about these directions, I'm over here in inbox. Don't hesitate to contact me.